Welcome to the demonstration of Akamai SPS Reach, a carrier-grade in-browser messaging channel that can target subscribers down to the individual account level. Akamai SPS Reach is designed to help ISPs to send targeted messages that receive superior subscriber engagement. Akamai SPS Reach campaigns typically contact over 90% of the audience within 24 hours. This video will provide an overview of the Akamai SPS Reach application, demonstrating how simple it is for John of the global ISP security team to create an effective campaign that reaches the right audience fast. John can log into his Akamai SPS Reach account from anywhere using his personal computer or tablet. From the main dashboard ribbon, he can navigate the important aspects for any campaign, including templates, reports, and target lists. Below, John can view active campaign metrics from the Live Report ribbon. The ribbon includes the number of subscribers that are currently targeted with a campaign, the audience. It also displays the reach, or percentage of an audience that has been impressed with a campaign message. Next to that are aggregated impression metrics and click-through rate metrics for the past 7 days. Additionally, the cumulative number of campaigns and impressions is displayed under the All-Time Campaigns heading. Below the ribbon is a list of campaigns that can be filtered by different categories and viewed as tiles or as a list. Before creating a campaign, John needs a template that reinforces the global ISP brand. John can upload a custom HTML template into the Akamai Reach application or choose to customize a pre-built brand palette. He decides on the latter and selects Brand Palette from the Templates dropdown. He chooses an image from his computer for the company logo and edits a handful of hex color codes to comply with his company's brand guidelines. Then saves the palette changes to apply to future campaigns. When he's done, he chooses the exact template he will use in the campaign from the drop-down and previews it. Looks good. Now John can assign a list of subscribers who will receive the in-browser message. Since Global ISP Security Team recently thwarted an infamous ransomware attack, John wants to send a message to subscribers to make sure their devices and their networks remain protected. He wants to dynamically target only the infected subscriber accounts. To create the dynamic group, he selects the recipient's list option from Target List on the main ribbon. He clicks the Define New List button. John names this list SC Infected List and targets all subscriber accounts with the attribute that indicates there is an infection. On the right-hand side of the page, he can see the number of targeted accounts in real time as he specifies criteria. He saves this recipient list and returns to the campaign page to build the campaign in a simple, fast, 4-step optimization process. John clicks the Create Campaign button from the dashboard and calls it Infected Notification, and includes details about the campaign in the text area below. He chooses the campaign category from the drop-down and ensures that messages can be viewed on any device. John sets the duration of the campaign. Then, he chooses the targeted domain list, excluded domains, in this case competitors, and sets the campaign impression limits to make sure the same subscribers aren't messaged too often. The plan is saved automatically when John clicks the Next button. John chooses a template from the drop-down and enters a title and a message into the respective text areas. He chooses an infection remediation portal that hosts information about fixing devices. He ensures the Visit Site button leads to Global ISP's remediation page, the main resource for subscribers who have infected devices. Here, John simply chooses the SC infected list he created earlier by selecting the checkbox associated with it. Once done, he clicks Next. The infected notification campaign is ready, so John gives it a final review before publishing it. He can review every aspect of the campaign represented in multiple cards. If John finds a mistake, he can choose to navigate to any stage of the campaign from the progress bar, directly below the main ribbon. John verifies that the campaign is ready and clicks Publish. Now the campaign will launch on the set date and time. The campaign has gone live, and targeted subscribers begin receiving and interacting with the message when they're connected to the targeted domains. The campaign has been running for a while now, and John wants to report on the overall success. He chooses Reports from the main ribbon. The main stats ribbon shows aggregate statistics from all campaigns in the system, including active, paused, or campaigns that have ended. He finds the infected notification campaign from the list and clicks it to reveal a timeline that displays impressions over time. John has the option to schedule reports to send to himself and other stakeholders by clicking the Schedule button. He can also download PDF reports at will by clicking the Download button. With Akamai SPS Reach, sending targeted messages that typically reach up to 90% of the target audience within 24 hours has never been easier. Akamai SPS Reach is used by ISPs all over the world to send in-browser messages from many different use cases: welcome new subscribers, send bill pay notifications, promote security alerts and advice about how to fix problems, send service appointment reminders, inform subscribers about network updates, and much more. Learn about all the most popular use cases that make SPS Reach a simple-to-use, versatile, and effective messaging service by visiting our website.